When you think about the perfect Caribbean getaway, the Grand Riviera Princess in Cancun stands as a compelling option that deserves a closer look. This all-inclusive resort has been welcoming travelers for years, offering a comprehensive vacation experience along Mexico's stunning Caribbean coastline. Located in the Riviera Maya, this property combines the natural beauty of the region with extensive amenities designed to cater to families, couples, and groups of friends seeking that ideal beach vacation. The resort sprawls across a generous expanse of tropical landscape, providing guests with multiple areas to explore, relax, and create lasting memories. What makes this property particularly interesting is its commitment to offering variety in every aspect of the guest experience, from accommodation options to dining choices and recreational activities. The Grand Riviera Princess operates under the all-inclusive model, which means guests can enjoy meals, drinks, and most activities without constantly reaching for their wallets. This approach to hospitality has become increasingly popular among travelers who appreciate knowing their vacation costs upfront and being able to indulge without watching every expense. The resort's location provides easy access to some of the most spectacular natural and cultural attractions in the Yucatan Peninsula, making it an excellent base for both relaxation and exploration. Throughout this review, we will dive deep into what makes this resort tick, examining everything from the sleeping quarters to the dining options, from the pools to the activities, and everything in between. The accommodation options at Grand Riviera Princess offer something for virtually every type of traveler, with room categories designed to meet different needs and preferences. The standard rooms provide a comfortable base for guests who plan to spend most of their time exploring the resort and surrounding areas. These rooms come equipped with essential amenities including air conditioning, private bathrooms, and comfortable bedding that ensures a good night's sleep after a day in the sun. The rooms feature contemporary styling with touches that reflect the Caribbean location, creating an atmosphere that feels both relaxing and vacation appropriate. Many rooms offer views of the resort's lush gardens, providing a green, tropical vista to wake up to each morning. For guests seeking additional space and luxury, the resort offers junior suites that expand the living area considerably. These suites typically include separate sleeping and sitting areas, allowing guests to spread out and truly settle in during their stay. The junior suites often feature enhanced amenities such as upgraded bathroom fixtures, larger balconies or terraces, and sometimes even whirlpool tubs that add a touch of romance and luxury to the accommodation. Families particularly appreciate these larger spaces, as they provide room for everyone to coexist comfortably without feeling cramped. The suites also tend to offer better views, with some overlooking the Caribbean Sea itself, providing that picture-perfect backdrop that makes vacation photos truly special. For those traveling with children or in larger groups, the resort offers family suites specifically configured to accommodate more guests comfortably. These accommodations understand that family travel requires different considerations, providing multiple sleeping areas and sometimes connecting rooms that give parents and children appropriate space. The family suites recognize that vacation with kids means dealing with more luggage, more activities, and more stuff in general, so they provide adequate storage and living space to prevent that cluttered, cramped feeling that can dampen vacation spirits. All rooms at the resort include modern conveniences such as satellite television, minibars that are typically restocked regularly as part of the all-inclusive package, and safe deposit boxes for securing valuables. The housekeeping staff maintains the rooms daily, ensuring that guests return to a clean, refreshed space after their daily adventures. The resort has made efforts to update and maintain its rooms over the years, though as with any property, some rooms show their age more than others depending on when they were last renovated. Room assignments can vary, and guests sometimes report differences in room conditions, which is worth keeping in mind when setting expectations. Dining at Grand Riviera Princess represents one of the resort's major attractions, with multiple restaurants offering varied cuisines and dining atmospheres. The resort operates several specialty restaurants alongside its main buffet venue, providing guests with choices throughout their stay. The buffet restaurant serves as the hub for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, offering an extensive spread of international dishes designed to appeal to diverse palates. The buffet setup allows guests to sample multiple items, try new foods without commitment, and find familiar favorites when they want something comfortable and recognizable. The breakfast buffet typically includes everything from fresh tropical fruits and pastries to eggs cooked to order, pancakes, and various breakfast meats. Lunch and dinner buffets expand the offerings considerably, with stations dedicated to salads, soups, main courses, side dishes, and desserts. The quality of buffet food at all-inclusive resorts can be hit or miss, and Grand Riviera Princess generally receives mixed reviews on this front, with some guests praising the variety while others note that quality can be inconsistent. Beyond the buffet, the specialty restaurants provide more focused dining experiences. The Italian restaurant serves classic dishes like pasta, pizza, and Italian entrees in a setting that aims for a more intimate, refined atmosphere than the bustling buffet. The Mexican restaurant showcases regional cuisine, offering guests an opportunity to experience authentic flavors and traditional preparations that highlight the country's rich culinary heritage. There is typically an Asian restaurant on property as well, serving dishes inspired by various Asian cuisines, from sushi to stir-fries and noodle dishes. These specialty restaurants usually require reservations, which can be made through the guest services desk or sometimes through an app or concierge. The reservation system ensures that restaurants do not become overcrowded, but it also means guests need to plan ahead rather than simply showing up when hunger strikes. Some guests report that getting reservations at preferred times can be challenging during peak seasons, so booking early in your stay for later nights is often recommended. The resort also features a steakhouse or grill restaurant where meat lovers can enjoy various cuts prepared to their specifications, accompanied by classic steakhouse sides and sauces. The quality of meat and preparation at these venues tends to receive positive feedback from guests who appreciate a good steak. In addition to the sit-down restaurants, the resort typically offers more casual dining options such as a grill by the pool serving burgers, hot dogs, and similar fare during lunch hours, and sometimes a cafe or snack bar offering lighter options throughout the day. These casual venues are perfect for guests who want to grab a quick bite without the formality of a full restaurant experience. The bar scene at Grand Riviera Princess is extensive, with multiple bars scattered throughout the property ensuring that guests never have to travel far for a refreshing beverage. The lobby bar serves as a central gathering point, particularly in the evenings when guests return from dinner or activities and want a nightcap or a place to socialize. The pool bars are perhaps the most popular during daytime hours, allowing swimmers and sunbathers to order drinks without leaving the pool area. These bars typically serve a full range of beverages including beer, wine, cocktails, and non-alcoholic options. The quality of drinks at all-inclusive resorts often depends on whether guests request premium brands or stick with the standard pours included in the package. Grand Riviera Princess, like most all-inclusive properties, includes domestic and house brands in the standard package, with premium international brands available for an additional charge. The bartenders generally accommodate special requests and can make a wide variety of cocktails, though the complexity and quality can vary depending on which bar you visit and which bartender is working. Some guests report that developing a rapport with bartenders and tipping, though not required, can result in better service and drinks. The beach bar provides another convenient option for guests spending their day by the ocean, ensuring that refreshments are always within easy reach. Evening entertainment areas often have their own bars as well, keeping the drinks flowing during shows and performances. The resort aims to create that classic Caribbean vacation vibe where tropical drinks with little umbrellas flow freely and the vacation mindset is fully activated. Coffee lovers will find that coffee is available throughout the property, though serious coffee enthusiasts sometimes note that the quality does not match what they might find at a dedicated coffee shop. The resort does typically offer a cafe or coffee bar where espresso-based drinks are prepared, providing a better option for those who need their morning cappuccino or afternoon latte. The pool facilities at Grand Riviera Princess rank among the property's highlights, offering guests multiple aquatic options beyond the Caribbean Sea itself. The resort features several pools of varying sizes and depths, strategically located throughout the property to serve different areas and accommodate different preferences. The main pool is typically the largest and most active, serving as a social hub where guests gather, children play, and activities are often organized. This pool usually features a swim-up bar, allowing guests to enjoy drinks without leaving the water, which embodies that quintessential vacation luxury that many travelers seek. The swim-up bar creates a social atmosphere where guests often strike up conversations with fellow travelers while perched on submerged bar stools. The main pool area is surrounded by ample deck space with numerous lounge chairs, providing plenty of spots for sunbathing, reading, or simply watching the activity. The resort also features quieter pool options for guests seeking a more tranquil experience. These secondary pools tend to attract fewer families with young children and offer a more relaxed atmosphere where conversation is easier and the energy level is lower. Some pools are designated as quiet pools where active games and loud activities are discouraged, creating spaces for guests who want to relax without the splash and excitement of the main pool scene. The pool depths vary, with shallow areas suitable for young children and deeper sections for confident swimmers. Pool temperature is generally comfortable, though it can feel cool early in the morning or during the winter months when air temperatures are lower. The pools are maintained and cleaned regularly, with staff checking chemical levels and skimming debris to ensure water quality and clarity. Lounge chairs around the pools can be at a premium during peak seasons and busy times of day, with some guests heading out early to claim their preferred spots. This chair-claiming behavior is common at resort properties and can be a source of frustration for guests who prefer a more relaxed approach to their vacation. The beach at Grand Riviera Princess provides that classic Caribbean experience that draws millions of visitors to the region each year. The resort enjoys direct access to a stretch of white sand beach lapped by the turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea. The beach offers stunning views, particularly during sunrise when the eastern exposure provides spectacular photo opportunities and a peaceful start to the day. The sand is generally clean and well-maintained, with staff working to keep the beach area tidy and free of debris. The water entry is relatively gradual in most areas, making it accessible for swimmers of various abilities, though guests should always be aware of current conditions as the Caribbean can occasionally produce strong currents or waves. The resort provides beach loungers and palapas, the traditional thatched roof shade structures that offer protection from the intense tropical sun. These beach amenities allow guests to spend extended periods on the sand without overexposing themselves to sun or heat. Beach towels are provided by the resort, typically available from a towel station where guests exchange their room key cards for towels, then return them at the end of the day. This system helps the resort track towel inventory while ensuring guests have access to fresh, clean towels daily. The beach at this location can experience seaweed accumulation, particularly during certain times of the year when sargassum seaweed washes ashore in large quantities throughout the Caribbean region. This is a natural phenomenon affecting the entire area, not specific to this resort, but it can impact the beach experience when present. The resort makes efforts to clear seaweed when possible, but during heavy influxes it can be challenging to keep the beach completely clear. Water sports and activities are available on the beach, providing active guests with options beyond swimming and sunbathing. Non-motorized water sports such as kayaking, paddleboarding, and sometimes sailing are typically included in the all-inclusive package, allowing guests to explore the waters and try new activities without additional cost. Motorized activities like jet skiing or parasailing are usually available for an extra fee through independent operators who work on or near the beach. Snorkeling is possible directly from the beach, though the underwater visibility and marine life viewing can vary depending on conditions. Some guests bring their own snorkel gear while others rent equipment from the resort or local vendors. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.